good health, and more wealth! Yes! 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 Mas malakas talaga pag wealth eh, no? As a leader, as a manager, you need to have that humbleness. Everybody say humbleness.
Humbleness.
I will tell you this. You may be smart, you may be intelligent, but it doesn't mean you know everything. You may be the smartest person in this room, but I guarantee you, you don't know everything. Sometimes, the younger people or the people you work with, they have ideas that you've never thought of. Successful leaders listen to the ideas of the people they work with, no matter what age, younger or older. Let me give you an example of a successful leader that we all know. Nelson Mandela. Nelson Mandela, ano yung Nelson Mandela? Leader of South Africa. He got this idea from his dad, who was a tribal chief during that time. Yung dad niya, yung father niya, bago gumawa ng desisyon, ang ginagawa niya, ginagather niya yung mga members ng tribe. Igagather niya yun, at tanongin niya isa-isa kung anong opinion nila on how to solve this issue, or how to solve this problem, or how to achieve this goal. Hindi siya magbibigay ng unang opinion or unang suggestion. Iintayin niya muna lahat magsalita. Tanongin niya ako, bakit Coach Jerry?
Bakit Coach Jerry?
Number one, pag siya una nagsalita at nagsabi ng advice na ito gagawin natin, yung buong tribe hindi niya magsasalita yun. Mahihiya silang kontrahin yung leader nila. Number two, ang purpose din nung dad niya was para maramdaman nyo na I value you as a person, I value your opinion, papainom ko muna kayo. And number three, it shows na he's very humble na baka mas magandang idea niya kaysa sa akin. Papainom ko muna itong mga to. Diba? Kesa mag-impose ako ng idea ko, mali pala, diba? Pakinggan ko muna sila. Be open na baka yung staff under you may suggestion na maganda, na mas better pa sa naiisip mo. I will repeat, you may be the smartest person in this room, but it doesn't mean you know everything. So be open that people under you might know something better.